Hello sisi. Ngicela ukuza ze-office zeMarumo Gallants ezo. Oh akuzizo. Hayi kaloku sisi usungixolisa kaloku ndiphazamile. Zenza ntoni? Zenze chips. What a wow. What a wrong number. A wrong number. We are double champions. MTN 8. Kali knockout. Ngapha sizilok leaders. Sorry? Hayi sisi ndiphazamile nyani. Ndihlala ndiphazamela kuni. Hayi uxolo sisandenzi ngabomi iba yimistake wena si. Sorry? Kanga ngoba bendizawufonela nina sisi man xa ndigqiba ufonela iMarumo Gallants ndiyayiunderstand sisi indlela ofilisha ngayo man sisi iPirates ayikho fair sisi iyayimosha lento yale PSL ngoku because uyayiqaphela uba izonke izinto izithathela kuyo ithathe iqale yathatha iMTN 8 ngapha izilok leaders ngapha ithatha no calling knockout onke amanye amavukuvuka kana yo sorry eish wesisimana ningomvukuvuku man ndiphazamile sorry Nintoni kanti xa ngene ngomavukuvuku iPirates yodwa enekhafu kule PSL kulonyaka kule season we are double excitement we are double champions MTN 8 calling knockout ngapha sizilok leaders sorry sisi ndiphazamile I withdraw ngaseparliament I withdraw esa statement samavukuvuku sorry yes sisi ndiyaxolisa kakhulu aningeni indawo nina kwi success ye Pirates ushowa lento ishow yayiminisha kawubeka isandla sakho apha esifubeni uphinde utsho lonto akho pain oyivayo apha esifubeni uthuphile we are double excitement. Orlando Pirates is doing extra large.
How's injani phi imnandi phi injani phi imnandi thanje noba kwethu ngendlela right ngendlela engahluphi calling knockout champions kunjani mekunje yazi khona izinto esingadingina nokuthi siyibuze njengokuthi ipain ilende kuphi siyayazi ipain la ilende khona mhlawumbe sesinganibiza nangepain FC give ish Chanje Abdeslam what did you do ay man Chanje bakwethi nani nyazi imnyama lento ebusuku ifinal edlalwe ebusuku ha hayi asidlali siyayiwina yayizwe lonto cha nje yabo izinto mesihamba kanje 2 cups in 6 months so number 1 kwilog konke lokho sikachieve kwisizini yokuqala first half of the season yayizwa lonto cha nje noba kwethu mazabra niyophumula ecebo lethu kusama starter lawo ayumotlo bafana ubelokho ejabulile nje mesigeja egcine nobana abajabulayo kunjani bekunje ngibuzelani kodwa ngoba kumnyama mekunje cha nje noba kwethu uyabona bafethu khipha nowabulala umeyi ngiyanicela ngenhliziyo khiphani owabulala usenzo umeyi ngoba labafana siyabazi abekho nje niyazi nina nibenzeni khiphani wabulala untate meyiwa ngendlela right cha nje up the bucks congratulations Macheta siyabonga ngehappiness hankathi bake sithola gabeke sihendana habeke nonakali jaji maweyo ayi ngiganywa ke happiness cha nje yayivake ngokuba injani i-calling knockout Siphotheni unama clean sheets awu 3 in 4 games round of 16 quarter final semi final final ungena ngapha zinsimbi uphuma ngapha maketanga yabona bafethu Ey, ivale. Ngeke ngiqede ukukhuluma ngale team mengazi. Iyabona nje. Yabona umfukeng asimdeserve.
Yeah, ne? Alright bafethi, Orlando Pirates ivele yavulela induku laphaya kuMarumo Gallants. Ayikho ke futhi into emangazanga lento yenzeke laphaya. Ayikho futhi nje into ethusayo, and they won the Carling Knockout Cup ya 2025. Rightfully so. I mean, I said this earlier on. Ngathi iMarumo Gallants abanayo firepower to take on the Orlando Pirates, and you saw today kule game namhlanje the way the Pirates dug deep to win the game speaks to the depth of the squad. Yabo, imagine 90 minutes ukugijimisana nabo Mfukeng, ukugijimisana nabo Mbatha, and then on the extra time usiyogijimisana nabo Mbule. Yabo. So Pirates won. But it was not an easy game for Amapagapaga. It was a very tough game. Shout out for iMarumo Gallants for making sure ukuthi find asibuka umhlolo we-final. Ilentoza ukuthi team iwine ngabo 4-0. Yabo, shout out to them for that. Kodwa ke iPirates iwinile. Ayikho futhi into esingayimangalela lapho. Basebenzile abafana. Second trophy of the season. There are still 2 more trophies to play for. And the crazy thing is, they are favorites to win both of them. Hi, Svele. Salute to Wadu. Salute to the squad.
Bakhona labo dlala bangakazi. Ihamba yephayini. Sikhathale simahleke. Sikhathale.
Azange ndonwatyiswa ibhiya kanje. Orlando Pirates, my dear, come closer. Hliziyo yami. Orlando Pirates. Uzobeva ke xa besithi ukuthi uba thina sithanda ibhiya, sivuyela ibhiya. It's friends. Pirates. Thank you.
Awusibatshelile wema helele ma. Iyezi phakaniya helele ma. Iyezi Pirates helele ma. Iyezi Pirates helele ma.
And another one. Orlando Pirates, champions of the Carling Knockout. Let's go. I was here at the TikTok Awards. Didn't end up winning, but thank goodness somebody won today. The Buccaneers have done it again. What do the send-off for TLB? Wasn't the prettiest of games, and even wasn't the most beautiful goal, but got the job done. 2 trophies for the season already. Top of the log. Couldn't have been a better start to the season for Orlando Pirates. Let's go.
Okay guys, sengiqedile ukubuka lifting of the cup, and I just saw such a beautiful moment where players Orlando Pirates were chasing ucoach wabo befuna ukumthela nge-champagne, and you can just tell nje ukuthi kuyazwana mfethu kule team. The coach loves his players, and they also seem to love him, so that's really nice. So that's the thing with Orlando Pirates. They had a very, very bad game. I did not enjoy it all game in namhlanje, especially with first half. See, that 2 minutes chance that was missed by Makgopa. In any day, Mabasa scores that. That's a goal to Mabasa. So I can't wait to see him back. I'm not trying to compare them and say one is better than the other. They just don't have similar qualities. I think Mabasa is a better finisher than Makgopa is. So I was expecting he was gonna get game time namhlanje since it's a final. But the thing is with Orlando Pirates, at their worst, you see today they were at their worst. At their worst, they will win, but they will only score 1 goal and close the tap and not give you a chance to score. That's them at their worst. Remember the game between them and Polokwane City, where they were gonna go and play second leg Champions League. Their minds were already in the Champions League. They were not on the game. So and their minds were not there. They just got 1 goal got their 3 points, and then they moved on with their lives. That is them at their worst. Their worst performance, they will give you just 1 goal, close the tab, take 3 points if it's a league game. If it's a cup game, they'll take their cup and move on. At their best, ask Stellenbosch what's going to happen. Play them at their best game in a final. You can ask how many goals they scored against Ilokuza Estelis. So that's why I say Guti, they know how to win a game, must win games. They usually say I'm a final about a winner, and for the most part it's been true. But yeah, we NetBank, that was not the case. Was it NetBank? Yeah, I think it was NetBank. It was not the case. So you don't really want to meet an Orlando Pirates in a final because they give it their best. But also you could tell, like, in the first few minutes of the game, they were overthinking the entire thing. Ngathi uma beyodlala final ama players Orlando Pirates ngangabatshela ukuthi final ngavela uthambani niyodlala le game, because once you tell them, once they know ukuthi they are playing final, it's just that they seem like ba overthinka yonke into is being overthought, pass ya overthinkwa yonke into, the defense and everything, and so they will have like the worst game. And the only thing that will come out of Leo game is a win. So I feel like today was one of those games where they were just overthinking in the first half, and making those few mistakes and being able to recover from them. I think it was such an interesting thing to play Nimtajela as a number 10. Very, very interesting. He seemed lost to me in that position. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not trying to be harsh or attacking the player. He seemed lost in position number 10. In fact, the first 15 minutes of the game, I was like, he's gonna be subbed, because I've seen it before from a player at Orlando Pirates who did away. He was not having a good game, and Bamsap Anje in like 30 minutes in the first half, he was subbed. So first 15, I was like, he's going to be subbed, and then they move Urele back to number 10, and then they put in Umoremi on the left. But it wasn't the case. He played where Ulalenje full time, and he even got booked. Even after he was booked, I assumed he would be subbed off, but he wasn't. Very interesting choice there, but I've learned not to question Coach Wadu, because he seems to know what he is doing. Yeah, that's it, guys. Marumo Gallants are very tough, but they are not an easy team as an opponent. It's unfortunate to Guti in the second half when they were playing for penalties, and knowing Guti or Arubi will save penalties. I knew Guti, if this game goes to penalties, they are winning it. And they also knew that. Unfortunately, the Orlando Pirates knew if we go to penalties, it's not going to be easy. They do have the experience in my penalties, and so they knew in extra time, that's where they have to win the game. If I win, story much, because one thing for sure, Arubi will save some penalties. So yeah, not an enjoyable game. I enjoy at all, but game the only thing that's important is who is taking the cup home. And in today's game, it was the Orlando Pirates. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Marumo Gallants, you are playing with your blessings. Playing a low block in the presence of Relemo Fogeng. So you played yourself. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. If you did watch this game, let me know what you thought about it. Yeah, winner ngale game.
uNkulunkulu nje mfethu angisize mfethu mhla ngithola intombazane yazi ibhola. Bese makuphela igame sihlala kanje nodala isixoxo ukuthi Dali wena ubonini. Angitshele ukuthi no baby iCatenaccio kumele ngabe ngiyifake kahle. Yadlala mfethu. But nice ukuthi uyaneleza kahle ugame usisi, and yeah, no, commenting on my last video someone commented wathi sekhona amantombazane enza content yebhola wara was like mfethu uKhero Chabalala awumazi, uDludlu awumazi, uShoti, come on bruh, come on. Amantombazane have been doing content yebhola ukuthi just right now semaning because ibhola right now Pirates is making ibhola interesting, is making ibhola entertaining, bro. Because at the time sometimes it's a dominator yodwa ibhola lalibhola nje South Africa because we knew ukuthi iNedbank izowinwa o Super Sport, iMTN izowinwa o ithi league iyasangana nje league mfethu. iPirates i-restore i-league. So right now abantu abaningi they are engaged in the league and that's why we need Chiefs to do better. Okay, bafethu angikhuluma kakhulu because ngikhulumile video neqala about ama reaction ama fans with Chiefs and with Sundowns. So right now I'm not trying to talk too much, but all I can say ukuthi Chiefs, if you guys want a coach, nangu coach uMarumo Gallants uyihlalele bra. Nangu uyihlalele bese uyihlalele. Nithathe u-coach nangu nimthathe bonke nondlondlo. Trust me, you guys are going to compete at the game. Because lento yenu yama-assistant, lento yenu i-assistant ne-translator ayisebenzi bafethu. And yeah, that's it for video namhlanje bafethu. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching, commenting, subscribing. Road to 2K. I can't believe it. 6 months ago, bruh, I had no YouTube channel. But manje, I'm heading to 2K. I'm not even heading, guys. If I drop this video, I'm sure 2K. So yeah, you guys made my year. You guys made me. And thank you for watching the video, and yeah, see you guys. Sasa ngeke Chiefs ne Chiefs Galaxy. Siyabonga.